Okay, we're going to play with converting units, milligrams per litre to parts per million, and molarity as well. Now this is from today's lecture, Monday's lecture. 8.6 parts per million of oxygen is the same as 8.6 milligrams of oxygen in a litre. Now what I'm going to try and work out is the number of moles per litre. Now what I'm going to need for this is just to start off with milligrams to grams. Now 8.6 milligrams of oxygen. What I want to do to start off with is convert milligrams into grams. So this is quite important. There are in fact 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So if I multiply 8.6 by 1 over 1,000, I will actually get my answer in grams. So if I do that, I get 8.6 times 10 to the minus 3 grams. The thing to bear in mind here is that the milligram terms will cancel each other out, and our answer will of course be in grams. Now what I want to do is convert grams into moles. So 8.6 times 10 to the minus 3 grams. Now this is the tricky bit. What is a mole? Well, a mole is the amount of substance, it's a quantity. Now I need the periodic table for this. Because I'm dealing with oxygen, here it is, and you will find a periodic table up on the VLE in my lecture folder. 2 numbers, 8, and we'll call that 16 just to make life simple. Atomic number, atomic mass, and it's the atomic mass we need. So for 1 atom of oxygen, it effectively weighs 16 grams. But of course we are dealing with molecular oxygen. 16 times 2 is 32 grams. So if I was to go into the laboratory, 1 mole of oxygen would weigh 32 grams. So clearly I haven't got 32 grams here. I've got much less, I've got a lot less than that. So my answer is going to be quite low in terms of moles. So 8.6 times 10 to the minus 3 grams multiplied by 1 mole over 32 grams. All I'm doing here is trying to get rid of the grams term so I get my answer in moles. The grams will cancel each other out if I just quickly put this through. 8.6 times 10 to the minus 3 multiplied by 1 over 32 gives me an answer of 2.69 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. Now what this means is that 8.6 parts per million of oxygen is the same as 8.6 milligrams of oxygen in a litre, which is the same as 2.69 times 10 to the minus 4 moles. This number is significantly different from the other two, but it means the same thing. Now what I would like you to do, and I shall put this into the discussion board, is have a go at this example. And somebody on the discussion board, you can hit anonymous if you wish, post the answer please.